Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make Twitter account private. Why do you want to know how to make your Twitter account private? Well, maybe you just don't want to share your photos and all these tweets to anybody, right? So today I will show you how to make your Twitter account private easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So right now we will just go into the Twitter mobile application. So here on the top left side corner you can see the profile icon. Now just go to the setting and privacy, and here after that you will see privacy and safety. Just click on here and the first option, that is audience and tagging. Go over here and here you will able to see that only your current followers and people approve in the future will able to see your tweets, right? So basically just turn it on. And yes, so right now your account is completely private. So this is it. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to make your Twitter account private, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to make your Twitter account private, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.